This tiny rock could become a $100,000 engagement ring. But how?
Can you even guess how many steps this takes? This machine applies 50 tons of force, and that's just the start.
What's it scanning for inside the stone?
Every crack, every flaw, the computer sees it all. One wrong angle, and this stone loses 40% of its value. How long does it take to cut a perfect facet?
Each truckload is worth millions.
How do they know which stones have diamonds inside? Clear on the left. Clear on the right. Bring it down slow.
This hopper holds 2 tons at a time.
What happens next to these stones?
Now the real transformation begins.
This water recycles 10 times before disposal.
How much water does one stone need to be truly clean?
This process takes 18 minutes per batch.
At what point do the diamonds actually appear?
This is where experience becomes critical.
How many stones actually contain diamonds?
Fresh cleaning solution for every batch ensures purity.
Is every stone now ready to become a diamond?
No.
Now we separate the diamonds from the waste.
Keep an eye on the left side. Looks clear from here, maintain speed. What size diamond are we actually looking for?
Iron impurities must be removed first.
How can water tell the difference?
Diamonds are 3 times heavier than common rock.
Can a person really see a diamond in rough ore?
Training takes 3 years to master this skill.
What percentage of ore actually contains diamonds?
Only 1 in 250 stones will yield a gem-quality diamond. What happens when we finally expose the diamonds? This machine sees inside the stone before cutting even begins.
How precise does this alignment need to be? One wrong angle and we lose 40% of the stone's value. Famous thing?
How hot does this laser burn?
This single cut takes 47 minutes to complete.
How many facets does a finished diamond need?
58 facets total, each one measured to within a micron.
How many diamonds can one technician oversee at once? Even a fraction of a millimeter error means starting over.
Custodianismo name Torricans.
What determines if a cut is perfect?
Now comes the polishing that brings out the true fire.
How do you polish a diamond with diamonds?
Each facet requires 2 to 5 minutes of hand polishing.
How do we know when a diamond is truly complete?
From rough ore to a work of art, the Hero machine has finished its job.
Every diamond must pass rigorous certification before leaving the factory. What exactly are they looking for inside the stone?
This 1.5 carat stone is now officially certified.
Transferring unit 8, seal confirmed.
Serial number checks out. Market complete.
How are these stones protected from theft? Each diamond's location is tracked with precision.
How do you secure a diamond worth 6 figures into place?
One wrong hammer strike could crack the diamond.
How much pressure does it take?
Perfect, not a scratch on the stone or the setting.
What does a finished engagement ring need?
The band must shine as brilliantly as the diamond.
Is this ring truly ready for a lifetime of wear?
From rough stone to this moment, approximately 90 days of transformation.
One $100,000 engagement ring, ready to begin its real journey.
Now these treasures move to protected storage. How long do rings stay in the factory vault? Each ring is tracked electronically from this moment forward.
Thank you.
What security measures protect these rings?
This vault is temperature and humidity controlled to preserve the rings indefinitely.
How many rings can this vault hold?
Every ring now has a permanent record in the system.
How often is vault access monitored?
Every entry and exit is logged and monitored continuously by a central command center.
24/7 monitoring ensures absolute security.
How does a ring get from the vault to a customer? The fulfillment process begins the moment an order is confirmed.
How is the ring verified before shipping? We cross-reference the item ID on the case against the order manifest and the digital inventory system.
Every seal must be perfectly intact.
What makes shipping secure for a $100,000 ring?
Multiple protective layers ensure the ring arrives perfect.
How does a customer track their ring?
The ring is now on its final journey to its new owner.
From a mine in the earth to a moment of forever, this is how diamonds become dreams.